Xiaomi unveiled the Xiaomi 15 and Xiaomi 15 Pro smartphones on October 20th at an event in China. We already see our first renders Xiaomi 15 Pro, now Xiaomi 15 Pro leaks first real-life image. The phone has a rear design that's quite reminiscent of its predecessor, the Xiaomi 14 Pro, which launched last year. The main difference is the LED flash array now being moved outside of the camera island. The Xiaomi 15 Pro is rumored to come with a 6.78-inch quad-curved AMOLED panel made by TCL, 2K resolution, and a 120Hz refresh rate. The phone is powered by the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC, paired with up to 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage. The device will come with 5 major Android updates promised, satellite connectivity for the Titanium Edition. The Leica-branded triple rear camera setup comprises of a 50MP main camera, a 50MP ultrawide, and a 50MP 5x telemacro camera with 30cm minimum focus distance. For selfies there will be a 32MP snapper. The Xiaomi 15 Pro get a large 6000 mAh battery with 90W fast charging, 80W wireless, and 10W reverse wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.